welcome back to my channel. In today's video, we are diving into the world of electric vehicles with the much anticipated BYD Seal. The sleek sedan promises to innovate the way we think about electric cars with its innovative features and stylish design. So, buckle up as we explore everything this remarkable electric EV sedan has to offer. But before we begin, don't forget to subscribe, like, and hit that bell button to get notified on my upcoming videos. So, now let's begin. The BYD Seal is an all-electric sedan that combines modern aesthetics with advanced technology, designed for those who value stylish and sustainability. This Seal offers an exceptional balance of performance, efficiency, and luxury. It's perfect for economic drivers who don't want to compromise on looks or performance. And build of the BYD Seal features a sleek and aerodynamic design with a bold front grille and sharpened lines that exude confidence and elegance. The stylish LED headlights and tail lights not only enhances visibility but also add to the car's modern appeal. The body is constructed with high-strength materials, ensuring durability and safety. The attention to detail is evident with its features like flush door handles that pop out when needed and retract to maintain a smooth surface on the body. Inside, the BYD Seal offers a premium experience. The cabin is spacious and luxurious, featuring a high-quality materials throughout the minimalistic dashboard, and includes a large touchscreen display that serves as the command center for navigation, entertainment, and vehicle setting. The seats are upholstered in an eco-friendly synthetic fiber, combining comfort with sustainability. The panoramic sunroof floods the interior with natural light, enhancing the overall sense of space and luxury. Performance and efficiency. Under the hood, the BYD Seal is equipped with a powerful electric motor that delivers quick acceleration and a smooth driving experience. It offers an impressive range, perfect for both city commutes and longer trips. The Seal is also powered by the BYD's advanced battery technology, which is known for its safety, reliability, and long lifespan. The batteries management system ensures optimal efficiency and longevity, while regenerative braking helps to extend the range further by converting kinetic energy back into electric energy during braking. The charging capabilities of the BYD Seal. The BYD Seal supports fast charging, allowing you to reach 80% battery capacity in just 30 minutes using a DC fast charger. This makes it convenient for quick top-ups on the go. Additionally, the Seal supports home charging with a standard AC charger, which can fully charge the battery overnight. This flexibility ensures you have multiple options for keeping your vehicle charged and ready to go. The technology and features of the BYD Seal. The BYD Seal is packed with advanced technology to enhancing your driving experience. The infotainment system is compatible with Apple CarPlay, Android Auto, keeping you connected on the go. The voice control features also allows you to manage various functions without taking your hands off the wheel. Safety is a top priority, with features like adaptive cruise control, lane keeping assist, and 360-degree camera system, providing a peace of mind on every journey. The Seal comes equipped with comprehensive suite of driver assist technologies, including automatic emergency braking, blind spot monitoring, and rear cross traffic alert. The Seal also features an intelligent parking assist system, which can help you park in tight spaces with ease. The system uses sensors and cameras all around the BYD Seal to guide the vehicle into the right spot, taking the streets out of parking in a busy areas is going to be easier than ever. The driving experience of the BYD Seal is not just about efficiency, it's also about delivering an exceptional driving experience. The smooth acceleration, responsive handling, and quiet operation make it a very enjoyable drive. The low center of gravity, thanks to the battery placement, enhances stability and handling. Plus, the customizable driving modes allow you to tailor the performance to your need, whether you want to feel more sporty or more relaxed ride. You can choose from modes like Eco, Normal, and Sport, each offering a unique driving experience. The environmental impact. As an all-electric vehicle, the BYD Seal significantly reduces your carbon footprint. By choosing the Seal, you are contributing to a cleaner environment and promoting sustainable transportation. It's a step forward to a greener future. Additionally, the BYD has implemented sustainable manufacturing practices, ensuring that the production of the Seal has a minimal environmental impact. This commitment to sustainability extends from the factory floor to the vehicle on the road. Smart connectivity. The BYD Seal is designed to keep you connected. The integrated smart connectivity feature allows you to control various aspects of the car remotely through a mobile app. You can check the battery status, start the climate control, and even locate your vehicle, all from your smartphone. The app also provides real-time updates on charging status and can help you find the nearest charging station. With smart connectivity, you will have complete control over your vehicle no matter where you are and when you are. In conclusion, the BYD Seal is a standout in electric vehicle market, offering a perfect blend of style, performance, and technology. Whether you are an eco-conscious driver, a tech enthusiast, or looking for a reliable, stylish ride, the Seal has something for everyone. With its impressive range, fast charging, and state-of-the-art features, the BYD Seal is ready to redefine your driving experience. It's not just a car, it's a lifestyle choice that reflects your commitment to sustainability and cutting-edge technology. Well, that's it for the video, so I hope you enjoy and watch till the end. And don't forget to subscribe, like, and hit that bell button to get notified on my upcoming videos. So see you next time. Bye.